Why choose Harvilon? First, they use new and some famous components to SMT to ensure the high quality of PCBA and devices. Second, they choose the Chinese top 3 to 5 large battery supplier to supply battery for their product to ensure high and stable quality of battery. The third but not the last, our SU feedback within 7 hours and new SW within 24 hours. This fast and great after-sales service also make us have high reputation from our customers. We are pleased to get any inquiry about OEM, ODM, and wholesales. These MiFi with 2100 mAh battery or 3000 mAh battery, MIMO 2 multiple 2. It adds to stable performance. Battery offers user faster and great internal surfing. This is the newest MiFi. 5G MiFi 5G download speed is 2 Gbps. Take lighting internal surfing. LTE chipset or Qualcomm chipset support battery, external antenna. Even in rural area, you can get strong signal.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.